Hey guys, it's Dave and my buddy Dave here, Ghetto Van Adventures, and guess what that is? A stupid nail in a tire. So this, I'm going to show you, I carry a little kit with me. I'm going to show you this emergency roadside kit that I use, and I have found it to be really handy. Okay, first we got to get the nail out. Okay, so I got a hole in the nail. Now, I'll tell you one thing, don't do this unless you have a little compressor handy. That's why you should always travel with a little compressor, because once you pull it out, you're going to start losing air. Okay, so, whoa. Shot down here somewhere.
Now you're going to drive over it.
Now, yeah. Okay, let me just get by you there for a sec. Okay, so you take it and you're supposed to ream it out, okay? And it's hard to do because it's up in the air. So just hold on a second, I'm just gonna lower this down just a smidge.
Like your knuckles?
Yeah. So you wanna make sure that it's all, whew. Okay, so next thing we do, okay guys, next thing you do is you get this little plug kit. Now this is only apparently for temporary use, okay? It's just a little rubber sticky plug. You feed it, it's just like threading a needle. You feed it through and you get about halfway, okay, like that. Okay, now in theory I should be able to pull this out, stick this in, and it'll go like that if the hole is big enough. And that's why you kind of ream it. Okay, just wait there. See that? Now just give it a pull up quick. I said a pull up. See, it's hard to do with the fender here, but
easier off the car.
Yeah. There. Guess what?
Plugged.
Plugged. And you can cut that off or just leave it, it'll fold in. And that's doing a plug. Now, I know it may sound strange to you that that's all you have to do, but if you buy a kit, it comes with the plugs, it comes with this. Now, well, there's the reason why I didn't want to let go. I kind of bent mine, I'll bend it back. And that's the kit. Now, I'll show you the pump.
Yes.
Okay, so I did a video about carrying one of these. They're handy, you can get them cheap. Now, this one will tell you it is down to 20 pounds. So let's turn on. And it just plugs into the lighter. So even if the nail was in it and it was slowly losing air, you could keep pumping it up till you get to a gas station, or just do the plug. Now, when I did the plug, it was a little harder because I had very little room to work in. But if you have the tire off the car, easy, way easier. And if the tool wasn't bent up, it'd be easier also. But there you go. Okay, pressure is up. Now, it better with soapy water to do this, but I'm just going to take a bottle of water because most people will have a little bottle of water with them or something. So, no bubbles.
No bubbles.
I should pull that. So, now remember, apparently you're supposed to have it plugged, and it's like a patch with a plug. It looks like a Smartie with a, it looks like a thumbtack, rubber thumbtack. That's what you're supposed to have. But for an emergency situation, this could really save you. If you take your time, do it right. It's easier with the tire off. Just take your time. Make sure, if you go to attempt it, make sure you got to have a pump, because you're going to have to refill your tire. And if it's a big hole and you're taking your time, you're gonna run out of air. So there you go, guys. Thanks, Dave, for letting me do this with the car. And
Thanks for plugging it.
and I hope this helps you out the road. Like I say, those kits, what are they, about 10, 15 bucks?
Yeah.
About that, yeah, 10 or 15 bucks. Throw it in your car, and you know what? If you're out in the middle of nowhere, even if you have roadside assistance, if you're out in the middle of nowhere, you can't get any cell phone reception. You're on your own. So at least this might save you. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching the video. Like and subscribe. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.